Good location, not so close to station but still walking distance. Kinda close to the Odori Park, which is good during snow festival. Breakfast was good. Enjoyable breakfast and onsen, perfect facilities for my pre-departure stay. Would stay again. Great location and nice staff. 3 ladies recommended, spacious room. Location good. Room small, normal size in Japan, and clean. Location is convenient, junior to hotel, walking, 5-10 minutes, hotel to Odori Park 5-10 minutes, Odori Park to Tanakakoji Shopping Street 10-15 minutes. Location in between junior and Odori Park, junior to hotel, walking, 5-10 minutes, hotel to Odori Park 5-10 minutes, Odori Park to Tanakakoji Shopping Street 10-15 minutes. Excellent location, facilities, and staff, amazing breakfast. 10 minutes walk to Junior Sapporo Station and Odori Park. Everything is above my expectations for a Japanese business hotel of this category, especially the amazing breakfast offerings at an unbelievable price. Will definitely stay here again. Excellent place to stay in central Sapporo. Conveniently located with one block of the underground walkways connecting Sapporo Station and many attractions, shops, and public transit. Excellent facilities that include public bath and laundry machines. Breakfast offers an amazing selection of well-prepared and presented dishes. Staff are very welcoming and helpful. Highly recommended. Pleasant stay. Very positive experience for an affordable price. Concierge was attentive when we arrived after midnight. Room was nice and clean. Breakfast buffet in the morning had a really good variety of tasty foods. Would definitely stay again. Recommended. The location is awesome. Just a few minutes away from the station. Convenience stores like 7-Eleven and Family Mart are just around the corner. Near the clock tower and park. Room. They can clean every day. You will have to leave the key at the reception if you want them to clean, otherwise they will leave the towels, etc. at your door instead. Food. I love the selection of food and they are really good too. Very worth to include this when you book this hotel. All in all, recommended. Good simple stay. Room was solid, staff were helpful. Not directly downtown but close enough to be quiet yet accessible.